guys? I thought it'd be a good time to make this video, and I'm going to make it now. We have our HO collection here. We're going to be showcasing what we have, so might as well. So we'll start with our engines. Missouri Kansas Texas SD40, I believe. Withered. The top is a bit loose, but that's okay. Nice front, scratched letters. Has a nice back. The letters are a little scratched, but that's okay. Okay, so, yep, and there's the horn. And that's our first unit. Second unit, we have a Rock Island. I think F7 long nose, but yep, it's the Rock Island unit. Yellow and red paint. Looks pretty nice. Very streaky, very good. So, okay, so that's that unit. Okay, so next we have our cars. For our cars, we have these box cars. We have a BN Yellow Reefer. Pretty good coloring. CP Rail car, Reefer. Union Tanker car with orange paint on the tops. Our newest one, Dew Point, with yellow and green paint. Then we'll go to this section. We have our cabooses. Here is a unpatched caboose. Red paint, box caboose, your standard caboose you probably see these days. On display. Has a nice red outline. 91.25. Okay, next we have this blue caboose with a light. I call it the flat car caboose because it's on a flat car. Blue Santa Fe caboose, standard with a light, which is pretty cool. It runs when it runs, but I don't have a table at the moment, but when I do, I would gladly run that for you guys. We have down here MSL boxcar, 50-inch, I believe. The door kind of opens. Well, it's stuck, but it opens, but that's pretty cool. We got Santa Fe boxcar, green. And there we go. Santa Fe boxcar. This one's a cool one. Cinderella Hopper. Golf. This is probably one of my most realistic cars in the collection. Has nice lettering. That's a pretty cool car right there. There's another one. Reefer. Coronet. Quality Paper Products. This one's a good car too. I've seen these before. Here's a Union Pacific Reefer. Kind of shows a map on there. Pretty cool. 1900 style. Has a nice, it's a high cube actually, because it's big. And it's not. Here we have a Great Northern car with the windows open, doors open, with an animal on it. Pretty cool. See both sides. Okay, that's that. We have some more here. New Haven boxcar. We got two more. So next we have Erie, Lackawanna. I like this railroad too. Same thing with Missouri, Kansas, Texas. It's a pretty cool railroad. I'm not gonna lie. There's both sides. Finally, we have Burlington. I'm guessing this is CB&Q. It says Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy, I believe what it stands for. And that is the final car in our collection. And that will conclude my HO collection of cars and trains for now. And I will see you in the next video.